and welcome back. Today we are in Oregon still, and we are doing the top waterfalls to do out here. There's a lot of really cool things, a lot of cool hikes to get to them. So bring your shoes, your hiking shoes, bring some water, be prepared. Let's go.
Now these are just some of the waterfalls I got to see while visiting the Portland area, and everything is not that far of a drive to get to. First stop is Hug Point State Recreation Site, a little over an hour west. This is in Cannon Beach area. Probably sounds familiar if you ever seen the movie The Goonies. Short walk, maybe 200 yards from the parking lot to get to the waterfall, which was a little dry since no rain as of yet. But if you do come here, make sure to walk a little further and you'll be able to find a hidden cave. Watch out for the waves and also high tide. Now, if you go about an hour and 30 minutes south of Portland, you will run right into Silver Falls State Park, home of 10 waterfalls and about a 7-mile loop. You can start at the south or north. The trail is really easy to follow. I did start at the north, which is at the back end of the trail, and was able to find one amazing cave with a huge waterfall. I did find another smaller waterfall down the trail. Check this place out. If you go a little bit over an hour east from Portland, you would run right into Mount Hood. Tamanawa Falls does have a small area to park, so get here early, and it's on the honor system to pay the fee. It's almost 3.5 miles round trip with a little bit of a sliding rocks towards the end, but this waterfall was breathtaking. Be safe when you do come out here. Coming closer to Portland, about a 30-minute drive, is the most famous waterfall. You do need a reservation, so book in advance. Multnomah Falls is one of the most iconic waterfall that you'll find all over social media. The hike to the very top is about 2.4 miles, which I didn't do, but I was able to see this waterfall from below and mid-level and was able to walk across the bridge. Make sure to put this on your bucket list. Of course, Oregon has many more waterfalls, and I will cover more of them in a future video. This state is known for its waterfalls. Be sure to check out Portland and its neighboring cities to find some pretty cool and interesting points of interest. Check out my previous video on some highlights that I did when I visited this amazing state. Leave me a comment below and let me know which waterfall I should check out next time I visit Oregon. You guys take care of each other, and I'll see you guys in the next adventure.